Hi dear students, welcome to our channel Maths with Panitra. In this video, we are discussing about definite integration, J-means, IMSA type questions. We will discuss now. Let us have a discussion. The question here. Let us. Here the question is sigma n equal to 1 to 10 integral minus 2n minus 1 to 2n sin x power 27x plus sigma n is equal to 1 to 10 2n to 2n plus 1 sin power 27x into dx. To solve this type of problems, here observe carefully dear students. Here sigma n is equal to 1 to 10, here also sigma n is equal to 1 to 10. So first what we have to do is, from these two, sigma n is equal to 1 to 10, keep bracket, integral minus 2n plus 1, 2n minus 1 to 2n sin power 27x dx plus integral 2n to 2n plus 1 into sin power 27x into dx. We know that the interval minus 2n minus 1, 2n, 2n plus 1. So minus 2n minus 1, can we write it as minus of 2n plus 1? So equal interval length is there, no? So instead of writing two intervals, we are writing as one interval. So it is equal to sigma n is equal to 1 to 10. This we can write it as integral minus of 2n plus 1 to 2n plus 1 sin power 27x into dx. I hope you understand this, students. So here minus 2n plus 1 to 2n, 2n plus 1 to 2n plus 1 is there. Instead of these two intervals, we are writing only in one interval. Minus of 2n plus 1 to 2n plus 1. Here, f of x is, we know one of the important results in definite integration, integral minus a to a, f of x dx is equal to 2 times of integral 0 to a f of x dx if f of minus x equal to f of x, that means even function, which is equal to 0 if f of minus x equal to minus f of x, it is an odd function. Here, to decide this function, whether it is even function or odd function, we need to verify this f of x value. Here, f of x equal to sin power 27x. F of minus x I am going to verify. So wherever x is there, replace with minus x. So sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. So minus sin theta whole power odd number of times. So minus odd number of times is minus only will come. Minus sin power 27x, which is equal to minus f of x. F of minus x is equal to minus f of x. That implies that f of x is an odd function. Whenever it is an odd function, this value, by using this results, it is odd function, it is an even function. So odd function means what is the answer? So therefore this value goes to be 0. Why? Because since it is an odd function. I hope you understand, dear students. This is the required answer, option number 3. Okay, dear students, we'll move to another question. If integral 0 to pi x into f of sin x dx is equal to a into integral 0 to pi by 2 f of sin x into dx, then a equal to options 0, 2 pi, pi by 4 and pi. See here, this is one of the, I think, J-mains and answer question. So first, to solve these type of problems, this you have to assume that I equal to, let us assume that I, integral 0 to pi x into f of sin x into dx. By using one of the important property in definite integration, integral 0 to a f of x dx equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x into dx. So wherever x is there, replace with a minus x. That means in place of a here, what value is there? Pi. So pi minus x, you have to write it. So I equal to integral 0 to pi minus x into f of sine of pi minus x into dx. So which is equal to integral 0 to pi minus x into f of sine of 180 minus theta sine theta. So it will become sine x itself into dx. Now we can separate that integral 0 to pi into f of sine x dx minus integral 0 to pi x into f of sine x into dx. So here I equal to pi constant bring outside integral 0 to pi f of sine x into dx minus I since from equation 1. Minus I bring this side, it will becomes 2i pi into integral 0 to pi f of sine x into dx. This is the deciding factor, dear students. So 2i equal to pi into, first we will decide f of sine x whether it is an even function or odd function. So whenever the limits of 0 to pi, again here we are going to apply this property before that. Integral 0 to 2a f of x dx equal to 2 times of 0 to half of the upper limit into f of x dx if f of 2a minus x equal to f of x. If it is 0, if f of 2a minus x equal to minus f of x. This is one of the important property in definite integration. So here also I am going to verify that f of sine x. So integral 0 to pi f of sine x dx equal to integral 0 to pi sine x is an even function itself, pi minus. So that is the reason we can write it as, directly we can write no need of verifying, f of x equal to here f of sin x is an even function. So whenever it is even function, f of sin x is even function, 2 times of 0 to half of the upper limit. Here this property we can apply. F of 2a minus x equal to, again otherwise I will prove it. Why we are taking this property only? F of sin x is equal to pi minus a is equal to, no, 2a is equal to pi minus x. F of sin x, is it equal to f of x only? No. F of sin pi minus x equal to f of x means same thing only we are getting. That is the reason 2 times of 0 to half of the upper limit. F of sin x into dx. So 2 get cancelled. I equal to pi into integral 0 to pi by 2 f of sin x into dx. This you have to compare with this. So I means what? Integral 0 to pi x into f of sin x into dx is equal to a into integral 0 to pi by 2 f of sin x into dx. So by comparing these two, we get this value pi, here this value is a. A is equal to pi. They are asking to find a value only. So the value of a is pi, dear students. Here properties is very important in definite integration. I hope you know that, sir. Can we wrap this? In the coming days, in both the channels, I will run with different objective questions from different materials, Arihant, like Disha publications, from different publications. I will come with you. We will do it sincerely and seriously about these questions. If Im equal to integral 0 to pi by 4 tan power nx dx, then I2 plus I4, I3 plus I5 and I4 plus I6 are in. So first option AP, second option GP, third option harmonic progression, so fourth option arithmetic geometric progression. So it is already asked in previous exams. So those who are watching first time our channel, please like and share. It will be reaches to more students. Those who are preparing JEE Mains and MCET especially. So here one important property regarding this question, we know that we have Im equal to integral 0 to pi by 4 tan power nx dx. Im equal to integral 0 to pi by 4 tan power nx dx. It implies that In plus In minus 2 is equal to 1 by n minus 1, which is very important result regarding integral 0 to pi by 4 tan power nx dx. We already done in the videos, number of videos based on this. So here the question is I2 plus I4, I3 plus I5, I4 plus I6 are in which? So first calculate the value of I2 plus I4. So n is equal to 4, substitute in this You keep that equation number 1. So n is equal to 4. If you substitute, what happens? I4 plus I2. So I2 plus I4 is equal to 1 by 3. 1 by 4 minus 1. Next, n is equal to 5. If you substitute in equation 1, we get I3 plus I5 is equal to 1 by 5 minus 1, 4. Next, n is equal to 6. Substitute in equation 1, we get I4 plus I6, 1 by 5. 6 minus 1, no? 5. Observe carefully, dear students. Here, logically we will go that answer. No need of verification, but I will explain how it will be. Whenever numerators are equal, denominators, observe carefully, 3, 4, 5. Generally 3, 4, 5 means common difference is equal only, no? Yeah, Siddha Kela Vigna Creations, thank you for joining. Yeah. 3, 4, 5, which are in AB. So, whenever it is reciprocal, obviously, AP reciprocal terms are in what? HP, harmonic progression. Therefore, 3, 4, 5 are in AB. 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5 are in harmonic progression. That means what? 1 by 3 means what? I2 plus I4, I3 plus I5, I4 plus I6 are in harmonic progression. So our answer is third option, dear students. I hope you understand. We'll move on to another question. Yeah, one more question, because I have to go somewhere else. We need to. Integral 0 to 2 pi x into sine power 6x cos power 5x into dx is equal to first option 2 pi, second option 0, third option pi by 2, fourth option minus pi. To solve these type of problems, we have just previously we done with some properties. Let us assume that this value is I. Integral 0 to 2 pi x into sine power 6x cos power 5x into dx. We keep it as equation number 1. By using the property integral 0 to a f of x dx equal to. Before that, 2 pi is there, no? We need to verify this even or odd function based on how it will be here. Here, f of x is equal to x sine power 6x cos power 5x. First, we need to verify with f of minus x. Minus x into sine power 6 of minus x and cos power 5 of minus x, which is equal to minus sine power 6x cos power 5x. Clearly it is odd function. Before that, we need to verify 0 to 2 pi is there, no? Integral 0 to 2a f of x dx can be written as 2 times of 0 to a f of x dx if f of 2a minus x equal to f of x. Next, it is equal to 0 if f of 2a minus x equal to minus f of x. Even if you check out f of 2 pi minus x also, wherever x is there, 2 pi minus x into sine of 6, sine power 6 of 2 pi minus x, cos power 5 of 2 pi minus x. So which is equal to 2 pi minus. So clearly here f of minus x equal to minus f of x, it is an odd function. F of x is an odd function. Whenever it is an odd function, we can say that by using this procedure, this is odd function only, no? So therefore the given integral value goes to be 0. It is there in the second option. No need of going here 2 pi. Anyway, sine power 6 of 2 pi minus x is sine x only will come minus even power times, it is plus 2 pi minus x is cos power positive only will come. 2 pi minus x is there. It is an odd function. So by using this property, the given function is odd function. So therefore the integral value goes to be 0, dear students. I hope you understand. Yeah. I'm going to end the session from tomorrow or day after tomorrow. We'll start with some area problems and definite integration related concepts. I'm going to explain in the sessions. Thank you all, dear students. Signing off, Maths with Panindra. Those who are watching first time, please do subscribe and share to your friends. Number of videos are there in related to intermediate JMN's MSET questions with different playlists. Once you go through, now in intermediate also, new syllabus was provided into the intermediate board. That also set theory I started already in different way, and exercises I will come with live sessions in the coming days. Thank you for your support.